Hi, I'm Drake Ozment. I'm a partner at Ozment Merrill. I'm a bankruptcy attorney, and we have two offices, one in West Palm Beach and a second office in Port St. Lucie, Florida. We represent clients in bankruptcy, foreclosure, and real estate throughout the state of Florida. We're here to answer some of our readers' questions and concerns about the various chapters of bankruptcy, specifically Chapter 13 today. A secured creditor is a creditor who has a security interest in an asset. And the best example is that your home typically will have a mortgage, and the mortgage will be secured by your home. That would be the asset that secures the interest in the loan. The second most common example is your car may have a car loan, and the loan will be secured by the vehicle itself. If you don't make your mortgage payments and if you don't make your car payments, then those lenders have the right to either repossess the vehicle or foreclose on your home. So if you're going to keep those assets, you've got to keep those payments current, either outside of the Chapter 13 plan or through your payments within the Chapter 13 plan to protect them. Unsecured creditors are those that don't have security interest in assets that you own. And the best examples of those would be like credit cards, medical bills, old phone bills, and any of those pesky collection letters that you receive. Secured creditors can be paid through the Chapter 13 plan, meaning you actually make the payments to the Chapter 13 trustee, and she sends the payments to your secured creditors, whether it be a mortgage or a car or something along those lines. You can also pay secured creditors outside of the plan directly. You may be current with your mortgage payment or current with your car payment, and your Chapter 13 reorganization is just necessary to deal with other creditors that you have. Now, when you get to unsecured creditors, you really have no choice with them. They must be paid through the plan, and they have a lower priority than do mortgage and car payments. So after mortgage and car payments are dealt with, we'll then deal with what we call the unsecured creditors. They're not secured by anything, and you will pay them according to your assets, the exemptions that apply to your assets, and what your income and expenses will allow you to pay them. And we, as your attorneys, will draft plan payments and tell you how much of your unsecured creditors we think you'll have to pay through your plan. And we'll talk about that prior to filing those plans or amending those plans or modifying those plans, which will take us into another area of Chapter 13. We typically will file a proposed Chapter 13 plan with your bankruptcy petition in Chapter 13. What often happens is the trustee or creditors may ask us to amend these plans for the right numbers, amounts, or account numbers, and things of that nature, and we will amend plans up until what we call your confirmation hearing, where we get the actual final plan approved by the court. Now what happens is, after your case is confirmed, for whatever reason you may fall behind on your payment, you may miss a few payments, sometimes people change jobs, and what the court allows is a modification process where we can actually go in, modify your plan, and essentially bring you current with a new payment going forward. So we amend plans up until they're approved by the court. We modify them after they've been approved when we need to fix things or bring people current who fall behind after they've initially been accepted. Thanks everyone for taking the time to watch our video. If you have any more questions or would like to come in and talk to us in person at either office, give us a call at 561-689-6789 in West Palm Beach, or 772-344-9090 in Port St. Lucie, or simply visit our website at www.ozmentmerrill.com. Thanks and have a great day.